Dream, sang Roberto Vecchioni at the end of the millennium. And we went back to dreaming, designing and building a motorbike just like we dreamed of it as kids, in the fabulous 80s, when Gastone Serafini, that boy from Via Milano and Pesaro, was racing on his TM motorbike. We are surrounded by the typical TM red, which is the red of the passion with which we started, and with which we want to dream again. On this special anniversary, TM wants to thank everyone who contributed to its success, from riders to technicians, from fans to commercial partners, from suppliers to our customers. Thanks to their commitment and dedication, TM continues to be a point of reference in enduro, motocross, and motard world. So, as Roberto Vecchioni says, dream boy, dream.